Hello guys, this is Chandika. Welcome to Learning Ladder of C language. In this tutorial, we are going to discuss about logical operators. In C language, there are three logical operator and logical operator and or logical operator and not logical operator. Let's discuss in deep about these logical operators in program. In C language, these logical operators are used for the checking the conditions whether it is true or false. For these logical operators are used. First, let's discuss about an AND logical operator. In C language, these two ampersand is indicates this it is an logical operator. This AND logical operator. This AND logical operator should have two conditions on both the sides of this AND logical operator. If suppose any one condition of these two is false, then this logical operator return value as a false to the compiler. If the both conditions are true, then this AND operator will return the true value to the C compiler. In C language, if suppose the value is 1, then the compiler treats it is true. If suppose the value is 0, then the compiler treats it as false. So here in the first statement, I am declaring the true on the both sides of an operator, and the return value is stored in the A variable. In the first condition I am declaring it as true, and the second condition I am declaring it as false, and the return value is stored in the B. Similarly, for 3, first is false and second condition is true. Let's see an output. So here we are getting an output as 1 0 0. This is because in the first statement the both conditions are true, so the return value will be true. In the second statement the second value is false, so automatically the AND operator return false statement. In the third condition, this first statement is false and then the second statement is true, so hence the AND operator returns false to the C variable. In the AND operator, there is a special feature that if suppose we are specifying the false in the first condition itself, in the sense, then the AND operator won't execute in the second condition, directly it return false condition to the C in the C variable. In the third condition, we are specifying an 0 false condition to the first statement, then automatically some AND operator, when it's identify that in the first statement is a false, then it won't check in the second condition, directly it returns some false condition to the C. For our understanding purpose, I am written a coding. Here I am taken I, J, K variables and I initialize the value as 10. In the first statement I am incrementing I, and second statement I am incrementing J, and the third statement I am incrementing K. Let's see the output. Here we are getting 11 11 10. This is because in the first statement the first condition is true, so automatically AND operator check for the second condition, so in the second condition the increment is done, and the second statement the same thing is happened. For this third statement, the AND operator, while encoding that first condition is false, automatically it won't check for the second condition, directly it returns false to the C. So for this reason we are getting K as a 10 without any increment is done to the K. Similarly, the OR operator is indicated in the double lines like this. This OR operator is similar to an AND operator. It should have two conditions on the both sides of this OR operator. The OR operator will return the true value if any one condition is true in the both the two sides conditions. In the first statement in I, the statements are for both the conditions are false, so it returns false to I. In all the remaining other statements, the any one condition is true, so it returns true to the output. Let's see now. Here we are getting 0 1 1 1 as an output. In the OR operator, basically it checks both the conditions, not like an AND gate. AND operator, it checks both the conditions and then at final it returns a value to the variable. Now let's see NOT operator. For NOT operator, we can declare only one condition. It should be on the right hand side to the condition operator. The not operator is indicated in this exclamation symbol. Now I am going to see in the first statement I am declare it is a true condition, so it should return false, and the second condition I am declaring it is a false, so it should return true. Let's see the output. So we are getting 0 and 1 as an output. For first statement we are getting false, for second statement we are getting true. So that's all about these logical operators. These logical operators are mainly used in the condition statements like if and the loop, like for loop and while loops. So while discussing the condition statements and loops, we will see the detailed applications of these logical operators. So thank you. Don't forget to subscribe.